Hey, what's up guys? This is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix action blocked problem on Instagram. You can get action blocked if you follow or unfollow a lot of people or like many photos in a short period of time. Luckily, you can fix this action blocked problem pretty easy. Just follow these steps. Open up Instagram app and log into your profile if you haven't already. Click on menu icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Go to Help section and select Report a problem. From the pop-up menu, select Report a problem one more time. Type in your problem. In this case, just type in, "My account has been action blocked for no reason. Please fix this issue." After that, click on Submit. Select Not Now. Done. Afterwards, go to Settings and log out from your account. Action block removal usually can take from 5 minutes to a few hours, so give your account a rest and log back in only after a few hours. Once you log back in, action block should be removed. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to fix action blocked problem on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.